Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! I think I might have just found out my New Year's resolution. Today is not only my last tutorial of the year, but it's also a time where we have a fake tan disaster. What's new? I didn't want to do anything too crazy with colour or this or that, whatever, but I just wanted to keep it quite neutral and just quite soft and glam, and obviously still my usual full coverage, a bit of glitter, a wee bit extra. Before I go any further, this makeup tutorial was actually inspired by a makeup artist I had found on Instagram. She is a makeup artist from Brazil. Oh wow. She is called Kamilla Teixiera. I really apologise, but I will have her Instagram handle in the description box below if you want to go and check her out. She is absolutely fantastic. If you want to know how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways,
So I just went on and done my primer and foundation. I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and then for foundation I used the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F5. I'm going to be going with the Morphe Concealer. So I'm just going to be putting a wee bit of concealer on, because I do find that my face does not match my body as of yet, but once we bronze and everything, it should be okay. Of course, I had to with the I Heart Revolution Coconut Setting Powder, and I'm just going to dust that off. What the hell? Honestly, if you watch my videos, you will know that my foundation is either too dark for my body or too light. And I'm having a freaking hand situation. I'm just going to try and keep my hands out of it. Okay, so I'm going to go and highlight now. This is the LA Girl Strobe Light highlighting powder. Then to blush, this, and then to blush. This is the Revolution Blusher Reloader in the shade Peach Bliss. Such a nice colour. And now for bronzer, yay! Just gonna go off this wee Maybelline bronzer. And then for my more intense highlight, I'm gonna be going on with the Artist Couture highlight in the shade Gold Digger. This is the shade that we use in the inner corner. Oh, holy shit bones! Okay. I think this is the first time I've actually used this on my face because it's really, really beautiful on the eyes. Okay guys, so I just went off camera there and done my lips, so I just used my usual Burberry liquid lipstick that I've been using recently in the shade Light Nude. Obviously with this makeup look you can go for a red if you want to just make it a wee bit more festive, a wee bit more Christmassy. Next up I'm going to take the Diamond Eyeliner by Santee. And then just taking the Hidden Cosmetics glitter in Honey Jar, I think it's called. And then just using the same wee wand, I'm just going to place that on. So because this is like a wee gel liner, it's obviously going to be wet, so that loose glitter is just going to stick to it quite nicely.
Peggy 18.
And then just in the outer corner, I'm just going to extend it a wee bit so that it doesn't just stop. I'm not taking any more product or any more glitter, but I'm just going to just flick that glitter out. How beautiful! Oh, I love it so much. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. I hope it's all enjoyed. But I first off want to start off by saying I really do wish all of you guys and all of your families such a happy Christmas, and I hope you all stay safe, have such a fantastic and wonderful time, and I will obviously be speaking to you and see you before New Year hopefully. Go ahead and follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked listed down below along with all the products that I did use in today's tutorial. So yeah guys, other than that, again, thank you so much for watching. Have a happy Christmas. I wish all of you and your families all the best wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video.